chicken pot pie, which is one of my favorites to make when the weather starts getting colder outside. It's a pretty simple recipe. We can also use like leftover chicken or pre-cooked chicken, or we can also start with raw chicken, and then I'm going to be cooking it in the oven so we can retain all of its juices. For the top part, you can either use pie crust or puff pastry. I personally prefer puff pastry because to me it seems a little bit lighter for this recipe, but if you want something a little bit more like heavy, flaky, buttery, go with the pie crust. And you can also check out my recipe for crostata con panna cotta, where I actually make my standard pie crust. And yes, if this is super easy, let's just get started. that's pretty much it. I hope that you like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also to share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And if you have any feedbacks or requests or whatever, please just leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!